Hey guys, how's it going? So we're gonna be talking about Macy's and how it could possibly be the next Wall Street bet short squeeze. I did buy some today, just a little bit. I'm gonna do a strategy where I'm gonna dollar cost average. If tomorrow I see the stock price pull back, I'm gonna buy a little bit more. If I see it go up, I'm gonna buy a little bit more because I think that Macy is undervalued, but again, I don't know what the market is gonna do. But I'm gambling that's gonna go higher. That's my gamble. Could be wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like this is a very safe investment and kind of undervalued in my opinion. I think there's a lot more upside than downside on this stock, but that's my opinion. And I think that there could be a huge short squeeze here for this stock in the short term. So we'll see what happens over time. But I think this is severely undervalued, and I will explain in this video. So Macy's, they had the earnings. It was a very good earnings. They have $2.1 billion of cash on the balance sheet. The company authorized a 500 million share repurchase program, and on top of that, they are bringing back the dividend. So I mean, I can't see why people wouldn't buy this stock and hold it long term. Just the dividend. I mean, I don't think Macy's gonna go away anytime soon. Not with $2.1 billion on their balance sheet. Macy's stock has been pumped this morning. I'm up right now. I'm not bank holding, and I think that it's gonna continue to move up higher. I think we could see this thing go hit $40 in the short term, and I think there could be a huge short squeeze on it. Why? Because there is currently 42 million shares shorted on Macy's. That's an 18% float. They had amazing earnings, and look at AMC. It's look at the value of it, and this company right now, their financials don't look that bad. They do make like 1.8 billion. They did make, like, in 2018 they made 1.83 billion. 2017 19 1.6. 2020 was the COVID hit, and $9 billion, and this is when in 2021 is the active year of COVID, and they lost a lot of money at 4.5 billion. But now they're starting to make money back again, and there could be potentially a short squeeze on the stock. Debt levels are kind of high. Total debt is $8 billion, but they still have a decent amount of total assets and cash. What I don't know what the current book value is. Let's see. Hold on. Book value of 1.4 billion. I don't know what the current one is because it hasn't been updated here. I mean, I could go in and look at the actual financial, but stocks are worth as much as people are willing to pump, and I think the stock's gonna go pump. It's gonna pump higher. I think the Wall Street bets, I think institutions, I think retail investors are gonna pump it. We also have to compare. I want to compare it to a company called Lululemon. They're in the same space. Lululemon is like a brand name for millennials, and but the thing is, their market cap is ridiculous. It's sitting at $53 billion. They don't even pay a dividend. If we look at their financials, they only make $1.2 billion a quarter. They annually they make $4 billion. Total EBITDA is around $800 million, and their company is valued so much more than Macy's. Macy's not really a brand name, but still, like, this company's valued so much more than Macy's. I feel like, Macy's could be like the next Lululemon. Not, I don't know at the end of the day, not financial advice, but I think, no, I think Macy's going higher. Could be wrong. Pure speculation on my part, and the overall market will kind of dictate what Macy's will do. But I think Macy's undervalued. I bought a little bit, might buy some more. This is like my first non-speculation stock. I don't think this is really speculation, but who knows? At the end of the day, I think it's going higher. I think $6 billion valuation is a little low. I think it can be like double that. I think we can see a $12 billion valuation on it. I mean, its height was sitting at $40 in 2018. And in 2018, they made almost $2 billion of revenue, $1.6 billion of revenue. When they were paying a dividend, they were paying about 37 cents a quarter, 37, 36, 37, 38 cents a quarter. And I really don't think dividends will affect the stock price, but I think there's a possibility we can see Macy go back to $40, maybe even its all-time high of $70. Who really knows at the end of the day what the market will do? But I think that there's a possibility that could happen. Only time will tell. But anyways, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh man, I got like 1 more minute to go. I don't really know what else to talk about. Man today did not get pumped. It looks like the market doesn't care. Lordstown also took a huge hit today, down 7.4%. Like I said, this thing either is going to be one of the greatest investments ever for high return on investment, because it dumped to like $2, and then that would be like huge buying opportunity. Pure speculation though, but I think it could be a huge buying opportunity. Ianthus not getting pumped today. It is what it is. Whatever. I still think this is undervalued. I think if they get a deal with some Canadian player like with Sundial or Kronos, I think the stock will get pumped in a big way. And it could be a double or triple or maybe 4x return on investment easily in a short amount of time. But that's just my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.